Hi, I'm Saadia from Skyspoc, and in this video I'll show you how you can modify a document. So the first thing you have to do is to log on to your Skyspoc account with a user that has administrator privileges. Now that you're logged in as an administrator, you can go to the workspace administration by clicking on Administration and then on Workspaces. Now let's see here. You would like to add a field to the workspace named Order Standard Device to let users provide additional comments when they are ordering devices. You can open the workspace to edit it and then select Document tab. The document has an overview of all fields that are present in the document. Some of these fields are hidden and some are only shown in certain document stages or to certain user groups. But here in the Document tab, administrators can see all of the fields in a single overview. The document has sections like General, under which you have fields like Name and Description. And if you scroll further down, you'll find Processing, etc. But I'll explain this in another video. Right now, you just need to add a new field to the document. And for that, you can just click the button Add Field. In this first section, Name General, you have to provide information about what kind of field you want to add. The label is the name of the field shown next to the field in the document. I'll name the new field Additional Comments. The content type says something about what type of data is going to be put in the field, like text, number, true and false, etc. I'll explain this in another video, but for now you can just select multiple lines of text since you would like to provide users with a large text field for their additional comments. The field type always corresponds with the content type. So here you can just select what is available, which is multiple line text field. In this second section, you have to decide where in the document the new field is to be placed. You can place the additional comments in the section Order, right below Available Devices, so the users can add additional comments when they select their device. Then you have to decide which users should have access to the new field. The requester, that is the user placing the new order, should be able to write to this field, and everybody else should be able to read what the requester has written. You can set the requester to write, and all teams in Workspace to read, to let everyone handling the document read what the requester has written. Finally, you can set some content rules for the field, for instance, if it's mandatory or not. In this case, it's not really relevant, but I'll explain in another video. So you can click Save to save the new field. And to make the changes available to users, you can save and publish the workspace. Now let's see what the field looks like. You can just log out of your administrator account and log in as a requester. When you click New to order a new standard device, the new field for additional comments will show up right here below the device selection. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more tutorials like these, then check out our website skyspoc.com.